Greetings, in this I'm going to be talking about this Portuguese sentence. Alright, so the sentence goes as follows. Todos os días eu falo português. And this sentence, what it means basically, it's simply all the days or every day I speak Portuguese. So I'm just gonna go through the structure and talk about each part of the sentence. It's basically a very analyzable thing, and with these European languages, it's very predictable how these things work together, and there's a general pattern that works for all, especially if you look at, let's say, informative sentences. There are no questions, they are not somehow special. This is like very informative sentence that just talks about the fact that I speak Portuguese every day. Alright, so just let's talk about the structures. So the basic structure in the beginning is just translate this entire phrase into English. This means every day. Alright, so this entire thing is every day. Todos os días. The reason why this is so is todos os días. This is the article for like plural. Os días is like the days, and todos is like all. So all the days. That's the way in Portuguese how, and this word is the same in Spanish as well. For example, this is the way how you talk about like every day. You say all the days. So keep that in mind. That is the reason why there's actually three words for this expression. Nothing confusing about it. Just the realization that the fact that this indeed means every day, but it's just different way that it gets said in Portuguese. And then if you continue again, you can put a comma right here. This is just the time information. You can put it at the beginning because that's the important thing that is pointed out in the sentence. Therefore, it is put at the beginning of the sentence, just like it was in the English original. Where in the English original, it truly was the way that you basically said, every day I speak Portuguese. You can also say, I speak Portuguese every day. But in this particular case, it is very nicely emphasized in the sentence that you indeed speak every day because you put it right in the beginning of the sentence. So let's continue with the verb and the personal pronoun part of the sentence towards the word Portuguese, just talking about Portuguese. Right? So, eu falo português just means I speak Portuguese. There's nothing else to this, alright? So, just I speak Portuguese in the exact same sense as it works in English, and you even see the word order is the same. These words equal their meanings respectively. And then falo is the conjugation of the first person singular form. Is of the first person singular form of to speak. Alright, so if you want to say I speak in Portuguese, you say eu falo. That's the way you see it. You say speak. And of course, the conjugation goes different for different pronouns. In the case of eu, in the case of I, it is falo. Right, so this is again thing that has to be learned. It's in the tables, so you can go online and find in the tables conjugations for whatever verbs you want, for whatever pronouns it is connected to, and also depending on, let's say, if it's present or future or past tense, what tense is used. In this case, what really makes this sentence simple is because it's in the general present case, because it talks about all the days, a general idea, therefore stays in the present case as follows.